A multitude of collapsible whips are available on the market. But how to identify the good ones from the bad one? First, you have to look at the ratio of sections per antenna length. The golden number is about 5 to 6 sections, per 10 feet to 13 feet, of antenna length. That ratio prevents antenna sagging, and ensures that your vertical configuration will remain straight all the time. If installed horizontally, the golden ratio will help to keep the antenna mostly horizontal with the ground, which is essential for efficient NVIS communication. The next thing to check, on your list, would be to identify how the conductivity between the sections has been made. To reduce antenna losses, resistance and sagging, the joints between two sections need to be at least 1 inch to 1.5 inch long. On the CHA mill and the CHA mill extended, the joints are about 2 inches long. The entire surface of those joints and at least 1 inch to 1.5 inch deep of inner tubing must be entirely conductive. This is something that can be verified with a multimeter. Another way to visually and positively confirm good conductivity is to inspect the inner wall of a section and see if the anodized coating has been removed. A non-anodized surface will have a gray aluminum color and will be conductive, while an anodized one won't. Some unscrupulous manufacturers are cutting corners by only removing the outer rim of both sections with a grinder, and hope that the bungee cord holding the sections will be strong enough to keep a good contact. Over time, it might cause serious intermittent communications and jumping SWR if the antenna is affected by the wind, and if some dirt, sand, mud, ice or anything else is preventing the two sections to establish a good contact.
Very good afternoon. Thank you for the call. You are 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Actually, are you portable? I think you said you are.
The last thing to check would be the base connector of the unit. Good base connectors are machined from brass or stainless steel for extra durability and are pinned to the first section of the collapsible whip, thus ensuring stability, conductivity and durability. Over time, press-fitted connectors, secured by a screw, might eventually become loose and ineffective.